A good head strap mount ensures that whether you are mountain biking, hiking, skiing, or vlogging, your camera stays locked to your line of sight, providing viewers with an immersive view of your adventure. In this episode, I will show you best head mounts for DJI Osmo cameras such as Osmo Action 6, Osmo Action 5 Pro, Action 4, and 3.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have BTG Magnetic Head Strap. The BTG Magnetic Head Strap offers a modern, quick-release solution that takes advantage of the DJI Osmo Action's inherent magnetic mounting system. This mount is designed for fast deployment and convenience, allowing users to quickly snap the camera on and off the strap without fumbling with screws or traditional mounting prongs. Enjoy hands-free POV shooting with this head strap, designed to capture immersive footage from a natural eye-level perspective that closely matches what you see. Comfort comes first with a scientifically balanced design that evenly distributes the camera's weight across the forehead, reducing facial pressure during extended use. The magnetic quick-release system allows you to detach the adapter by pressing both sides, and it can also attach securely to any ferrous surface for added convenience. Ideal for a wide range of shooting scenarios, the eye-height recording angle delivers more natural framing and realistic composition in every shot. On number 2, we have generic head strap mount. For a cost-effective and time-tested solution, the generic head strap mount remains a highly popular choice. These traditional mounts use a simple, fully adjustable elastic strap system with a non-slip lining, often silicone, to securely grip the head, helmet, or hat. Comfortable and secure for easy POV recording, this head mount features thickened sponge padding and a soft nylon elastic band that fits head sizes from 57 to 97 centimeters. It's designed for all-day comfort, allowing hands-free shooting and effortless capture from a creative first-person perspective. With no top strap, the upgraded design delivers a cleaner, more modern appearance while maintaining reliable stability. This streamlined structure enhances both comfort and aesthetics, giving you a more confident and unrestricted recording experience. A multi-directional ball head enables quick angle adjustments, making it easy to switch between selfie, side view, overhead, and other perspectives. Perfect for daily vlogging and creative content creation. On number 3, we have Telesin Head Strap Mount. Telesin is a brand well regarded for creating innovative and high-quality accessories for action cameras, and their head strap mounts bring thoughtful design to the Osmo Action user. The Telesin head strap often features an ergonomic design with a focus on stability, using wider straps and high-friction silicone material on the interior to prevent slippage during vigorous movement. A key differentiator for many Telesin models is their multi-positional design, which may include mounting points on both the front and the back of the strap. This dual mount capability is highly valuable for capturing simultaneous front-facing action and rear-facing reactions or follow-cam perspectives. Additionally, some versions offer a quick-release buckle and even a detachable clip, allowing the camera to be mounted onto a hat brim or other surfaces. The Telesin head strap is an excellent premium option for users who need a high degree of stability, versatility, and advanced mounting options. So these are some of the best mounts to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.